the pituitary gland is a tiny structure that is located at the stem of the brain. It is also known as a master gland because of its very important use in the body. It consists of two glands, the anterior pituitary gland and the posterior pituitary gland. The anterior pituitary gland secretes growth hormone, or somatotropin, which promotes body growth and stimulates the liver production of growth factors. It produces prolactin, which is useful in breast development and milk production after pregnancy. It also produces thyroid stimulating hormones, which helps maintain the growth of the development of the thyroid gland. It promotes adrenocortic hormone, which promotes and maintains the growth development of the cortex of the adrenal gland. It also produces the follicle stimulating hormone, which stimulates follicles of the ovaries to grow in mature females and stimulates testes to produce semen in mature males. And then it produces luteinizing hormone, which stimulates the formation and activity of the corpus luteum of the ovaries in the female and stimulates testosterone secretion in males. So that was the anterior pituitary gland. The posterior pituitary gland produces antidiuretic hormone, which inhibits large amounts of urine production and stimulates the contraction of muscles in the walls of small arteries. Thus, it increases blood pressure. The posterior pituitary gland also produces oxytocin, which has two primary causes. It stimulates contraction of the uterine muscle during labor and causes milk ejection into the breast disc of lactating women.